Guys, Linda here. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be another realistic what I eat while being on a plant-based diet. This time around featuring vegan kimchi fried rice. I love kimchi. It's a staple item in my fridge, and on top of it being delicious, it's amazing for gut health. So if you want to see how I make this, just keep on watching. As always for watching, guys, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!